What's up, guys? It's Ryan with the MXG channel again. Quick video today, just in case you've been hiding under a rock for the last few days, or if you get all your motorcycle news from this channel, which I appreciate if you do. GasGas released their 2023 model lineup just a couple days ago, and as we expected, no changes beside BNGs. Bold new graphics. The good news is the new graphics look sweet. They added a really black gradient under the GasGas, which really makes all the red kind of pop more. I really dig it. Besides that, it looks like no changes whatsoever for the 2023 models. Also, on GasGas's website, it says that the 2023 models are going to start being available this month, which surprises me. You know, normally the KTM group bikes, normally they're ordered in late April, early May, and they start shipping in early June. So I don't think the 2023 GasGases have been ordered yet, so I'm not sure how they could even be arriving in March, but that's what the website says. So this is what we expected with GasGas, basically. And at first I had heard rumors that GasGas might even stay the same for 2024, and now I'm hearing that that's not the case, that the 2024 model GasGases are going to be the new platform. So basically, here's your situation. If you really love this 19 to 22 platform that KTM's had, if you really love it and you have a bunch of parts for it, etc., then yeah, pick you up a 23 GasGas and save some money over a KTM or Husky. If you're a guy that wants to ride the newest thing all the time, then just wait 2-3 months and the 2023 KTMs will be out with everything all new. So regardless, you can never say that KTM is not giving the consumer options, because not only are they giving you 3 different setup bikes, 3 different package bikes, but they're also allowing you to buy the old platform for a fair bit, $800, $900, $1,000 cheaper. So I definitely appreciate that about KTM. Not only do they push the envelope with their ready to race mentality, but they also give the consumers tons of options, which the Japanese brands have been horrible at doing the last 10 or 15 or 20 years. So but yeah, guys, that's all I have for you today. Try to keep you guys updated on any KTM, Husqvarna, GasGas news. Obviously, I'll do that. And if you appreciate that, hit the red subscribe button. Hopefully by now I've earned your subscription. And if you want to join up, be on my team, hit the blue join button, guys. I'd love to have you. See you in the next video.